Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Monday and it's March 4th, 2024. Right now it's 8:38 p.m. So first, let's look at the what happened today. So market opened down and it actually kind of went below this 5,130. And however, it was able to kind of come back and come back to the middle here, and that's even and in a way is pretty choppy. Though looking at here is it's kind of it somewhat kind of like after 10 so after 10:30 it's make a new high. Well, actually before 10:30 it make a new high, and then it have been keep making new high here, and as we can see it's a higher high and higher low. So in some way it's quite choppy as well. It's a move from here down to like a 51.37 down to here below 51.30, and then eventually like even kind of going all the way to 2:30. It finally kind of a break above and make a huge run and almost get to like a kind of a just a little bit shy of touching 51.50. However, it seems like it was not able to sustain at this level, and not sure how much people got caught off guard on such kind of quick sell-off here at sort of like 3:30, and at the end it kind of it closed at the opening spot. So this is the opening line. So at the end it closed at the opening spot. I thought it would close in the middle, at the middle here, which it would be somewhat would be more like Friday's closing level. So apparently that's a very bearish, and it got notched down one level here. So I guess to me it's like a closing at the same level as the opening, and this is kind of like going back to what I talked about like yesterday, and it may do a lot, and at the end it may just close to where it started. And of course, where is the starting point? And is it here, 51.3708, or the opening today? Those are some kind of a possibility, and apparently today is at the open. So what's going to happen to like for tomorrow? And what I see is that it's pretty, for sure it's pretty easy to kind of get down to continue to get down below 51.30, and for sure it's going to test, and it will. And here is the zone. Why I see is that 51.25 would be pretty important. And as you see, this is the equivalent level, which is 51.32 and 35. From the futures market perspective, and we look at it, market has already broken below broken down below this 51.25 level. So yeah, it could easily go back to test like a 5100 tomorrow, and then will it get there overnight or probably shortly after the open? It would be interesting to see. And with what's going on right now, very likely tomorrow it could be a gap down. But the thing is we never know, and market could do crazy things. And just imagine this run here. So how many people could think of it could make such a kind of run? And how you can protect yourself? And I would say emotionally, probably not many people be able to handle this, or not really say handle this, to follow that. And and when it get down to here, I guess lots of people would continue to think that it should coming back up here, which is possible. Um, as evidence here, this one is very strong and bounce back. Um, but only to see it continue slice down and down and get to here. So that's uh that's not a good sign. Mm, but of course, it's not the end of the world. And in many sense, from day-to-day perspective, this should be pretty healthy. And so that would take out some energy out, lay out of those kind of energy. Um, Probably can go a bit slower. Meanwhile, of course, the market kind of probably likely would be preparing for tomorrow and for the whole week. And today is pretty much probably coming up here just to see how easy it is. It can go up here and then may come back down here. Um, as we can see right now, it could easily kind of break above this 51.15 if say any kind of positive response later in the week. And if that's the case, don't be surprised it went all the way back up to here 51.19. As of for right now, at this level, for this week going to here, that's pretty easy. So meanwhile, that also means like it could easily go down to 100 points, which would be that would means like going back below like a 5100, will be reaching like a 50-50. So I mean 5015. So let's quickly review tomorrow's calendar, and I'm only looking at the US one. So the first one would be at 9:45. That's after the market open. That's a PMI data. And then 10 o'clock has ISM. And then, yeah, lots of ISM data. And 12 o'clock, there's a speech from Fed Bar, and again from him at 3:30. That's about it. So maybe probably would be much better just to wait until after 10 o'clock to see what market is going to happen. Of course, always would be kind of beneficial to look at what happened like overnight, and is it going to repeat what happened like like a Sunday night. Don't know. So we know the Sunday night like it kind of chop around and later eventually broken down here and then getting down this level and later seeing it kind of steadily coming back and making new high. And how this is going to will it kind of make a similar kind of move overnight and driving the market down, and in this case following such direction is going to gap down tomorrow and will come back, or probably in the case of gap down it may not be able to come back up here. It probably the chance will be more likely going down here. So we shall see tomorrow, and market kind of crazy, and I guess yeah, I just be careful, and probably likely it's going to chop pretty badly between now and Thursday. Well, at least till like a Wednesday, because probably the testimony probably play a really big role here, and then of course also non-farm payroll, right? So with that said, best luck to everyone. May the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.